with A to Z of finance. Asset. Anything that gives you profit is called asset. Bank. Bank is a place where we deposit money, withdraw money, save money and borrow loans. Currency. Money used by any country for transaction is called currency. For example, UK, pound, UAE, dirham, Russia, ruble. Deposit. The money which we save in bank is called deposit.
Economy. It is a big system where people make and sell their goods and others buy and use them. This is how we get goods and services.
Finance. Finance is how we earn, manage, use and save money.
Goods. Goods are the items people buy and use. For example, grocery items, clothes, furniture, etc.
Hedge. Hedge is a strategy used to reduce the stress of using money. It is like having an insurance of your own investments. Inflation. Inflation means the cost of things rise over time. So, you need more money to buy that same thing.
Joint account. An account opened in the bank by more than one person is called joint account. In this account, everyone can deposit and withdraw money.
Key currency. Key currency is a type of a currency that is widely used in international trade and finance. For example, US dollar, UK pound and Japanese yen. Lend. Lend means to give something temporarily to someone with the expectation that it will be returned. Money. Money is the medium of exchange that facilitates transactions for goods and services. Needs. Needs are essential requirement for survival and well-being. Occupation. Occupation is a person's regular work or profession typically performed in exchange for payment. Profit. Profit is a financial gain obtained from a business when revenue received is more than the expenses occurred. Equity. Equity is the ownership or value of shares in a company or property. Risk. Risk is a possibility of losing something of value that could lead to a negative outcome.
Savings. Savings is an act of setting aside money for future use instead of spending it immediately.
Tax. Tax is a mandatory financial charge imposed by the government on individuals or business to fund public services or infrastructure. Unicorn. A unicorn is a privately held startup company valued at over $1 billion or more. Venture. Venture is a new business or project that involves taking risks to achieve a goal. Wants. Wants are things we desire but don't necessarily need to survive.
Expense. Expense is the money spent on goods or services.
Yield. Yield is the amount of return of profit produced from an investment or effort. Zombie. Zombie refers to a company that continues to operate even though it is unable to cover its debt servicing costs from its current profit over an extended period.